Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Lamborghini Huracan Evo easily. First, let's establish the car's foundation. Start by drawing a light, horizontal guideline across your paper. This will be the ground line. Next, sketch a long, low rectangle above this line to represent the main body. Finally, add two small, evenly spaced circles for the wheel wells, ensuring they are centered within your body outline. Now, let's give our Lamborghini its iconic shape. Gently connect the tops of your wheel wells with a smooth, curving line to form the car's sleek roof and hood. Then, define the aggressive front bumper and the sharp, angular headlight shapes. Don't forget to add the large, detailed wheels within the wells, including the brake calipers visible behind the spokes for a realistic touch. It's time to add the distinctive SDO features that make this car unique. Carefully sketch the prominent air vents on the hood and along the sides of the body, paying attention to their sharp angles. Next, outline the large, unique rear wing and the aggressive diffuser at the back. Finally, draw the signature Y-shaped taillights and the dual exhaust pipes, giving your drawing an authentic look. To complete your masterpiece, let's refine the details. Gently erase all the initial guidelines you drew, leaving only the clean outlines of your Lamborghini. Then, go over the main outlines with a darker pencil or pen to make the car stand out boldly. For a truly dynamic finish, add some shading to create depth and dimension, and consider adding color to bring your Huracan Evo to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.